When you go into your mode in the early days of finding your first customers, now I'm just focused on 1900, not 90,000. And what this does for you is it allows you to talk like your market talk like your customer profiles talk. If I'm walking into a dental office, because I'm going to focus on 1900 of them, I'm going to walk in there saying, I am a dental specific MSP, and you should trust me because all I do is dental. It's a little bit more attractive. And if you look at the highest growing MSPs or the fastest growing MSPs in the MSP channel, typically there's some level of verticalization. And it's because you can talk like your customers. You can talk like your prospects. You can now go, Kyle, where do I find these 1900 people? Well, that's not hard. So I could go to, again, I'm going to do this stupid simple. I could share my screen. I can go to Google Maps and I can go dental offices. And then boom, I get a bunch that pop up. I can start to do this exercise. And then I go, okay, well, who's also involved in dental? Orthodontist. So I can go orthodontist. And it allows me to start targeting those buildings that I might want to walk into. Now, at my MSP, when we got started, and I'm not kidding you, and this would terrify us SaaS people, Michael, I cold walked into these fuckers. I walked in going, hey, who does your IT? You know what most of them said? Sir, this is a Wendy's, can you leave? However, it built the muscle. It built me the ability to say, I know who's going to be my customer, and I'm going to be relentless about getting them to do business with us. Now, I share this because then you start to go the next layer. Where do these 1900 businesses that have commonality hang out? And if you think about the MSP channel, we do this crap all the time. We have MSP specific conferences, MSP specific peer groups, MSP specific Facebook groups, Slack channels, like you're all in. You start to ask yourself, where are they? How do I hang out where they are going to hang out so that I can build a relationship with them? Now, I know this conversation's supposed to be geared towards pricing and packaging, but you can't price and package it until you know who your customer is going to be. And so many MSPs, why they leave money on the table, going back to my initial point, is you build a product without knowing who your customer is.